How to set up price alert for spot trades. With your LBank account logged in, tap the trade and select spot. Tap target pair or search directly for the target trading pair. Tap more, then alert to access the price alert menu. Confirm the trading pair. Then choose trigger conditions. Price rose to, price dropped to, gain reached, lost reached, 5 minutes up or 5 minutes down. After that, enter the trigger price. Set alert frequency, recurring alert, alert once only, or once per day. Using repeated alerts are recommended to avoid missing updates. The notification method includes app notification and desktop notification. You can select any one or all of the channels as needed. After you finish all the parameters, tap Confirm to start real-time monitoring. Setting spot price alerts allows you to stay informed without constant chart watching. You will only take action when the preset target price is reached, helping you avoid impulsive decisions that may interfere with your trading strategy. With timely notifications, you can capture the optimal entry and exit points and enhance the effectiveness of your swing trades. If you have any further questions, contact our online customer support. We are committed to providing you with a secure and seamless trading experience.